Hi guys, welcome to SkillTube. So in this video, we are going to learn basic and important shortcut keys in Adobe Illustrator. Also, we are going to learn basic actions that are really going to be helpful while designing in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump into the video without any further delay because this video is really going to be helpful for Adobe Illustrator beginners. So first one is press V on your keyboard for selection tool. Selection tool is used for selecting single and multiple objects. Also you can rotate them just like this. Next up we have direct selection tool. Press A on your keyboard for direct selection tool. By using this tool, you can simply just select single or multiple anchor points of objects. I have selected these upper anchor points of these four squares. Now I'm making changes to this shape by using direct selection tool, just like this. Also, you can use them to make curves. Now, if you want to revert back to previous step, you want to press Ctrl Z to undo and press Ctrl Shift Z to redo. Alright, so now let's see how to duplicate multiple objects. First of all, I'm creating a circle here. Alright. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm pressing Alt on my keyboard and drag it to the right, just like this. So now, in order to create multiple copies of this same step, I'm pressing Control D on my keyboard. That will create multiple copies of the same object. Now, there are other ways of duplicating objects as well. Select any object, press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl V to paste. This will paste your object to anywhere around your artwork. Now, if you want to paste it to front, you can press Ctrl F to paste it to front, and also you can press Ctrl V to paste it to back. So now you can see there are two different objects at the same place. Now let's see how we can duplicate object to all of the artboards. I'm making selection of all these objects. Press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl Alt Shift V to paste. This will paste your objects to all of the artboards. Whatever design you are making, if you want to see outline preview of the design, press Ctrl Y to switch to outline mode and make changes accordingly, just like this. Now, if you want to revert back to the previous normal mode, press Ctrl Alt Y to switch back to a normal mode. So that's all for today's session. I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe SkillTube. Thank you.